What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. We are back in Houston checking out the Carculture Shifted event that goes on, I think, monthly at the La Centera, and it already looks like it's going to be an absolutely crazy event because I got a McLaren 720 just parked up outside of the show, so I can't even imagine what's going to be inside. What's confirmed is a R34 GTR, the brand new 4 GT, a Ferrari SF90, and so much more. So y'all are definitely gonna want to stick around, like and subscribe, and let's get to it. Alright, so right now we're pretty much just gonna be sticking in the outside of the show, watching all of these crazy cars pass by because there's already an insane variety. There's a Porsche Turbo S, I think a 50th anniversary Nissan GTR, a Mustang GT with some beadlock wheels, so you know that's making some crazy power, an absolutely insane Aston Martin right here. So yeah, y'all are gonna definitely want to stick around for this episode because it is gonna be a wild one for sure. I'll let y'all check out a few of these edits of the cars rolling in and we'll go through it. Thank you, man, that sounds crazy. I believe that car right there, the Corvette C8 I should say, is one of the first pro-charged and bagged C8 Z06, not Z06, but just base C8, and they are an absolutely crazy car. But right here, I believe this is the all-new Corvette C8 Z06 because the Ferrari sounding engine is just so noticeable whenever it revs it. So let's see if we can get a couple of these special revs. First one in the city of Houston. Corvettes are definitely going to be taking over the car scene from now on because with this all-new C8 Z06, it's just mind-blowing on how good it sounds, and they are just going up and up from here. Check out this absolutely insane Subaru STI. It has the exhaust coming out of the hood and it sounds wild. So I'm pretty sure this guy has a built motor or something going on under that hood. From the way he has that exhaust coming out, it just means serious business. So definitely check it out right here. Alright, here we have one of the most special cars I think that is probably going to be here at the show. It is the Nissan Skyline R34 GTR V-Spec, I'm pretty sure, and Nismo. So just an absolute treat that we have here. I'm not really sure how they got it here. I think it's based, I mean not based, but I'm pretty sure that they have this as a show car at the moment. But I'll see if I can find the owner, get a few words with him because this is just an absolute crazy and dream car for me. So hope y'all enjoy it with these amazing edits that I'm gonna make with it because it's so damn special. Sure what kind of McLaren race car this could be, but it looks absolutely insane. I'm guessing it's based off of McLaren 600 LT. It might be the all-new 620, but it looks like it has probably some wider front fenders. I don't think rear fenders. It basically looks pretty similar to McLaren 600 LT. But this one looks absolutely insane in a blue and orange contrast, so let's let y'all check it out with a few edits. Let's get to it. This Rx7 sounds is absolutely brutal. Oh my god. Another very obnoxious Mazda Rx7. I really hope this guy has some two-step activated because I definitely want to hear this thing. Christ. The freaking flames that this guy shot were wild. Look at this. This freaking exhaust is just smoking out. I mean, how could it not be? It just shot some insane flames. People are going absolutely crazy with their Mark II builds. This one, did y'all see the exhaust that this guy had? It was literally in the center of the bumper. That I've never actually seen that on a car before. It just looked so wild and sounds great. Somebody's car that I have not actually seen before, or actually seen in this color I should say, is Sinclair Photos wide body Supra. It looks super duper good with this pink color, but I'm not really sure if he has some trunk issues or what, because there is a huge gap going on between there. So he just got his wing put on a few weeks ago. I actually did see it at the 0 to 60 grand opening, but it was wingless at the time, and now it has the wings. These rivets on the side look so damn good, so I'll let y'all check it out with a few edits, because I don't want to show too much of his car, because y'all go check out his channel and see the rest on there. basically I'm guessing all the good stuff is happening out here because I'm hearing a bunch of two-steps. So we might be getting into the part where everyone starts to leave and everything starts getting really rowdy. So let's get to it.
Made that boy jump.
What do y'all think of this like cream color looking 3000 GT? It looks freaking awesome. Hey, a little bit of pops and bangs over here. This one's sick though. Look at that huge ass duckbill wing. It's cracked in the bottom though, that sucks. That bitch straight piped like a that was loud. Guess we're going for round 2 on this guy. This thing freaking screams. So goddamn loud. You know you want to.